Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Regrad. In this video, I want to explain about the trigonometric problems, numerical problems like yesterday videos. Same models I don't want to repeat. Same models means just some models and important problems one by one I want to explain. So in this video, I want to explain about these two problems related to trigonometry. Now, see first problem. In a right angled triangle ABC, right angled at C, BC plus CA is equal to 23 cm centimeters and BC minus CA is equal to 7 centimeters. Find sin A and tan B. Okay, for any problem, first we have to understand the problem. First you read the problem 2 or 3 times, then you should understand what he gave, what he is asking. That if you understand, then only you can clearly solve the problem. Now in this, see, in a right angle triangle ABC, that's why what you know, it is a right angle triangle, the name of the triangle is ABC. So that's why we should consider a right angle triangle ABC only. If we don't give any names, then we can take our individual PQR or XYZ any triangle. But in this names also he gave means that triangle only we should take. So that's why ABC gave ABC. But I told already, first you should see right angle at C. That's why C only right. Then ABC. Otherwise ABC. That is our wish, no problem. First the right angle only I told already. Where is right angle only important. Remaining sides no problem. Angle A, angle B. Those two are angles. Right angle at C. Right angle. Now what he gave, two conditions he gave. He did not give in this sum directly any sides he don't give. In the sum don't give any sides directly. Indirectly he gave. What he gave? BC plus CAC given. That is given. First we should write given. Given what? BC plus CA is equal to 23 he gave. Units centimeters last you can write, no problem. Given. Next what given? BC minus CA given 7. He gave like this. Okay. Now that you write. Now BC plus CA that we cannot write here, that is not belongs to any sides these values. So first you think this is C, this is what? Equation. See, these are simultaneous equation, two equations. Variables are BCCA, BCCA. So suppose A plus B is equal to something, A minus B is equal to something, like that in algebra, in maybe in 9th, like that you solved the variables for X and Y. Like that here BCs you think BC and CA variables. So you should find out the values for BC and CA. Like that equations we can solve this. That means what here, see, by adding these are opposite values, by adding only we can get. Suppose same value there means subtraction, then down values symbols will change, you know, for subtraction. That's why now here already opposite signs are there, so adding only adding only enough. Now plus CA minus CA cancel here. Equations, you think these two are equations. Here variables of instead of A, B, X, Y, here BC, CA, these also values. So now you will strike. BC, BC what? 2BC. See, BC plus BC we are adding. 2BC. We are adding. So both are same symbol, plus and plus only. So 23 plus 7, 30. 2BC is equal to 30 means, you know, BC value is 30. This comes to this side. See, for equation, one side to other side come means into becomes divided by becomes into. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. If the symbols are changed from in equations one side to other side. See, this 2 is coming to LHS to RHS. See, this side is coming. So this is multiplying this BC. So here dividing this variable. So it comes down. That is what? 15. 2 15s are 30, you know. So BC is equal to 15 units he gave. So this also that you write now. BC value we got 15. So BC value right here 15 centimeters. Now you have equation. So substitute this value. Substitute this value of BC in the equation. In this or this. So I am taking this plus BC plus CA. In this equation you write full. In this equation I am substituting the value BC. That means instead of BC we should place 15 value is there. So BC value is 15 plus in this equation CA is equal to 23 there. You want CA means what? 23. This come to this side, plus becomes minus, so 15. CA is equal to 23 minus 15 is 8. Here units are centimeters. So CA value 8 centimeters. CA, AC value 8 centimeters. Now you know two values. Once you know two values in a right angle triangle, other side we can calculate. How? I told. By using Pythagoras theorem. Always I am not writing fully. For example, you write fully in exams. Here I will write just APT. So here I will write APT means according to Pythagoras theorem. You apply Pythagoras theorem to this triangle. Any triangle, Pythagoras theorem means first hypotenuse square is AB square is equal to one side is BC, one side is BC square plus other side is AC square plus BC square or anything. So like this. According to the triangle names only you should write, don't confuse. Hypotenuse is in this, sometimes hypotenuse AC came frequently, but here no, AB hypotenuse, AB square is equal to AC square plus CB means BC square. Now substitute the known values. Which values we know? AB value no, AB don't know, that only we wanted, that means directly. So AC is 8 square plus BC is 15 square, 8 square is 64, 15 square is 225, that becomes 2, see, that means what? 9, 8, 2, 2, 8, 9, 289. You want only AB, that means 289 root. You should find out the root for 289. Here 9 is there means 7 should come. 7 7s are 49, 9. Otherwise, you know the how to find the square roots. Separately, I will make videos in some lessons how to find out the square roots of the numbers for fractional numbers also, everything. I will make separate video. If you don't know to calculate the square roots means you see that videos, then clearly you will know how to find out square roots of any numbers. But here just we will check. Otherwise simple I will tell here. See, like this means you should do 189. For 1 you double means 2 will come. One number you write, same number you multiply. 3 means 3 3s are 9. 3 only with multiply. See here 133. 3 means less 7. 7 7s are also 49. 4 7s are 14 plus 4 18. Yes. Now 7 come to here 17. How to do this? I think you know to find the square roots. Don't know means you see my videos. Okay. Now see. AB value is 17. So you write here 17. We found third side also. Now easily sin A and tan B separately asked values. What he asked, that only find out. Sin A he asked. Now this is easy. Sin A means what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin is. So for that angle only here we should write A. Sin what he asked, along with the angle you should write sin A opposite side by hypotenuse, because angle not there means we cannot write. For which angle we don't know. So A. So for A only you consider. For opposite side to this only, opposite side is BC by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AB. So BC value 15. by AB value. BC value is 15, AB value is 17. Here you don't write units. I told already in last video, for ratios there is no units because simply it is a ratio. BC side to AB side ratio is 15 by 17 means BC is to AB is equal to 15 is to 17. That is the meaning. So don't write units. Okay. Next, tan B. So tan B. Now you see and write, otherwise full formula only full you write. That I did not write here, but I am writing here because there is no confusion. Tan means what? Opposite side. So opposite side to angle B. Like this you write means there is no confusion. For here also opposite side to angle you can write. Okay. Opposite side to angle B by tan means adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side, tan. Adjacent side to angle B. Like this you practice writing. Then there is no confusion. B only we will take. For B, what is opposite side for B? C. Opposite side AC. By what is opposite side for B? For B only adjacent side. What is adjacent side? See, this is adjacent side BC. Once you write formula, you substitute the values. AC value. AC value is 8 by BC value is 15. Don't write units. Therefore, what he asked, you can write here answers clearly. Sin A is equal to 15 by 17. What he asked that only, you write clearly. Last answers. Tan B is 8 by 15. You want these answers. So, sin A is 15 by 17. Tan B is 8 by 15. Understood? But this is some changed problem. In the previous problems, directly he gave two sides in the form of ratios or directly. But here, he don't give directly the values. By means of some equations, he gave. So that's why, as a student, you should learn all these things, equations, everything you should apply. Mathematics means applications. Mathematics means applications. You should use your knowledge. Oh, directly not given, how to find those. Like that thinking ability you should improve. Then only you can do. See what he gave, like this gave. Immediately you should have idea. What to see same. This also BC, this also BC. CA, CA, plus or minus. Immediately, oh, x plus y, like this, like that there. X plus y is equal to something, x minus y is something. That means what? Equations, simultaneous equations in two variables. How to solve these simultaneous equations in two variables? Maybe you learned in 9th. So easily, if you remember that, like you can easily solve. See, instead of that, he gave BCCA. These also values only, no? So names only changed. Variables means what? Whatever name I want, I can use. Rama plus Krishna is equal to 10. Like this also we can use. Why not? Rama says plus Krishna says is equal to something. Rama says minus Krishna is equal to something. Like this also, you can find Rama says and Krishna says. Those are variables in that situation. So like that you should think. Then you can get easily. See, BC. BC plus BC here, 2BC. Here CA, CA. Plus or minus, opposite side, cancel. Here we are adding, that's why you add. Suppose here symbol change means adding means you don't add directly, no? If adding also, symbol is minus means you will subtract. That is, lower classes you learned in algebra. Okay, now like that you should find the variables from the equations. Then you will get BCCA. That you write. Once you know two sides, you don't forget we should use what? Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, other side we can find out. So anyway, if you find the three sides, then lastly we should substitute the values in the asked situation. That means here what asked? Sin A asked, tan B asked. In that you substitute. Like this step by step you understand means mathematics is very easy. Okay. Now next problem, see here, is sin A by cos A is tan A? Question is asking, is cos A by sin A is cot A? Like this. That means is sin A by cos A value is tan A? Like this means this is what? Identity. Already we proved here sum, like sum he gave, that's it. Already in identities chapter I explained this. Same will come. In this nothing, that means numerical values not there. From that formulas only we should find out. By using direct formulas only we should find out the identities. That means LHS is equal to RHS, like that. Is sin A by cos A is tan A? That means first we should find out sin A. Sin A. We should consider a triangle. So here consider a right angle triangle ABC, right angle that B. A is asking, A you take. First you should consider the right angled triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. That you consider. Then now you can write. A asked, no, A only will take. Sin A. Sin A formula is what? Opposite side to angle A by hypotenuse. This is the sin formula. So write for sin opposite side, for this angle opposite side is BC by hypotenuse CC. There is no values, you leave off like that. Then cos A. Cos A means adjacent side. Adjacent side to angle A. Cos formula what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to angle A by hypotenuse. Right. From A only right. Adjacent side is what? AB. By hypotenuse is AC. Values you don't know, leave off. Now total what? Sin A by cos A. So sin A by cos A what we should do? Check. Sin A by cos A. Sin A is what? Here BC by AC by cos A is what? AB by AC. So BC by AC, this becomes into means this will reverse. AC by AB. AC cancel. BC by AB. Now what? Sin A by cos A is this. That means this value is equal to tan A. We should find out. So tan A you find out. Tan A. Tan A formula is what? Opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side to angle A by adjacent side to angle A. That is, for angle A opposite is BC by adjacent side is AB. Tan A value is BC by AB. Sin A by cos A value also BC by AB. Both are equal or not? Equal. That's why yes. That's why what we should write? Yes. Sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. Yes. This is like this. If value is not given means you should use direct formulas. Next is what? In the same manner. Same. For second one, we should write. Is cos A by sin A is cot A? Same, like this only. Same triangle, same. So that's why. First you write cos A. Cos A formulas only will change. Right? Cos A formula is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side to angle A. See, adjacent side to angle A. By what? Cos adjacent side by hypotenuse. Right? Formulas. For A, adjacent side AB by hypotenuse AC. Values not there means leave off. Next what? Sin A. Right formula. Sin A formula is what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side to angle A by hypotenuse. Now write for side A, opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. Okay, value is not there, you leave off. Now total, this value is equal to this or not asking, so total value calculate. What is total value? Cos A by sin A value, you find out. Already value is there. Cos A, substitute in this equation. Cos A is AB by AC by sin A is BC by AC. Now AB by AC, this becomes into, then it will reverse AC by BC. AC cancel, AB by BC. Now see, this also, this value AB by BC came. Now we should find out, this is which value? Cos A by sin A value. This value Cartier or not, we should check now. Now we should write for Cartier also. Cartier formula is what? Adjacent side by opposite side. Right. So Cartier is adjacent side to angle A by opposite side to angle A. That is, for A, what is adjacent side? AB by what is opposite side? BC. Now you check. Cartier is AB by BC came, cos A by sin A also AB by BC came. Both are equal. Is cos A by sin A is Cartier? What answer? Yes. It is right means yes you will tell. No means not you will tell. Here it is correctly came. So that's yes. So as cos A by sin A is equal to cot A. So like this we can prove. I hope everyone understood this lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe and click on bell icon, I want to prepare all the lessons and all the topics for set 10th syllabus first. So that's why any video I prepared means you will have intimation. So if you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you very much.